In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now choose Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Before recording, you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Recording Quality and tap on the best one for you. To start recording, use this button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, or click on this icon at the top right corner here to enable or disable vocal enhancements. When you finished, you can use the same button you started to end your recording. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom and all of those at the top right corner. You can also go back, hold it here, and operate all of those options, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!